Hi, my name is Sonia Garware. I am a director at Gartech Equipments Private Limited. Gartech Equipments is located in Pune, Maharashtra, and we specialize in automation for poultry. That's our expertise. We specialize in turnkey projects, catering to all types of poultry farms, so broilers, breeders, layers. And we have a presence in more than 40 countries in this world. The market response is very good. We were expecting a lot of enthusiasm coming from the entire poultry industry because of the 3-year gap, and that is exactly what we have received over the last 2 days. Very enthusiastic crowd, and everything looks hopefully very positive in the future. Thank you so much.